Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a 3D funnel in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then we go to the home menu and select the new slide drop down menu and choose blank. Then we go to the insert menu and select the shape drop down menu. Now we can see here many shape. Now you want to add funnel shape, we can see here many shape. You can add the call out section to add like funnel shape, otherwise add the funnel, but here not available the perfect funnel shape. Now I am select this funnel, then draw the funnel, press shift on your keyboard, then go to the format menu and choose the shape effect and select the preset and make the funnel 3D. You can change the color or apply more than style or effect. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.